Hello, everyone. This is what's jumping in my pot today. Breakfast enchiladas. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients: black pepper and salt, flour, cilantro, green chili, unsalted butter, milk, tortillas, sausage. I have Colby Jack and Monterey Jack cheese chopped up. And in here, I have eggs. I have a skillet here, and I'm going to turn it to medium high. We're going to add the sausage. We're going to let the sausage saute up until it's not pink in color anymore. Yes, I forgot to let you know I also have scallions chopped up.
So for this dish, you could actually substitute the pork sausage for turkey sausage if you are not a pork eater, because some people are really not up on pork like that.
Yes, they can.
Or even beef sausage, too, I guess.
Yeah. Now we're going to add the green scallions in here. Let this cook up.
I like Mexican dishes. I like tacos, quesadillas, all of that. Enchiladas, I haven't had too many of these, but never had breakfast enchilada before, so this is going to be new for me today. And actually, coming soon for Caught on the Spot episode 9, there may be a surprise Mexican spot. I haven't decided yet, but that's coming soon.
Now it's sauteed up enough, and we're going to take it out, and I'm going to put it in this container.
So what's next?
I'm going to make a cheese sauce. I have a saute pot here. And we're going to add some butter to it.
So is this cheese sauce similar to what you would put on nachos?
Yes.
Oh, okay. That makes sense, because this is a Mexican dish.
So we're going to melt the butter.
And would you call this a budget recipe too, or would you just say this is somewhere in the middle?
It's somewhere in the middle. It's not that expensive. Now we're going to add some flour. We're going to cook the flour up with the butter for about 1 to 2 minutes so you'll get that raw taste out of the flour. Now, we're going to take a whisk and add the milk slowly. We got to keep continuously whisking. And we're going to add the chili, the green chili, to this mixture. You're going to continue to whisk until it turns to a thick consistency.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and also don't forget the ingredients will be in the description box below.
Now let's test and see if the sauce is thick enough. You take a spoon and you see? Yes. Now I'm adding the cheese. I'm using Colby Jack and Monterey Jack.
So you could actually use pepper jack cheese also, right?
No, pepper jack got a hot bite to it. It's only Monterey or Colby, or you can use cheddar.
Oh, okay. It looks like it's thickening it up a lot.
It's ready to turn off.
Oh, okay.
Now we're going to whisk up the eggs. To the eggs, I'm going to add a little salt and black pepper.
This looks a real simple dish. This don't look too complicated at all.
No, it isn't very complicated.
Anybody could do this. Beginners or people who like cooking or experts. It's pretty simple from what it looked like.
I've added some oil to the skillet. Now we're going to, really it's just like making scrambled eggs.
Yeah, I would figure that. Since this is going to be the filling.
Now we're going to return the sausage and the scallions back to the pan with the eggs.
Mix that up now.
And we're going to mix all of this up together. And we're going to add some of the sauce to the egg.
So now you're going to add the filling to the tortilla.
Yes.
It's almost like putting together a mini taco. But like we said, this is not a taco dish.
Now this is what we do. Gonna roll it up like a cigar. I have a baking dish here and I've already oiled it. And we put the seam side down. Let's do another one.
Starting to come together pretty well.
Fold it like an envelope.
It is like rolling a cigar.
Seam side down. And I'm going to fill up this baking dish.
So what are you going to do next?
Okay, we're going to take some of the sauce, the cheese sauce, and we put it over it. And we put some of the Monterey Jack cheese and the Colby Jack cheese.
Oh, okay.
Then we're going to put this in the oven for 30 minutes. I have my oven set to 375. Now we're going to add some tomatoes on top. This is optional.
It looks really, really good. Came out real good.
And now we'll put some cilantro on top. There you have it. Breakfast enchiladas. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, X, and Facebook. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye. Hit that like button.